Worldcoin. God, I hate this thing. I hate everything about this thing. There has been an immense amount of investment into Worldcoin. They did probably the greatest launch in crypto in terms of how they got people engaged with it. Giving away free money is effectively what they did, and it worked a treat. They had bloody hundreds of thousands, if not millions of people that ended up, in fact, I think it was millions of people, ended up giving away scans of their iris and stuff. It was incredible. The launch was the most successful launch I've seen from a new crypto. And we've got to take a look at where this can go. I'm going to also talk about why I don't like this. Before I get into it though, if you're new here, these are the first 26 coins that I did videos about on the channel. When I did the videos, I showed myself buying these coins up. The reason for that is I expected they were going to make me a lot of money. You could have done the same, and if you'd have put in $100 into each of these, when I released the videos, you'd have gotten in at these prices. All you've had to do is sit on these coins for 16 months and then sell them, and your total profit from a $2,600 investment would have been over 123 grand. In under a year and a half, that's spectacular. Now, you don't have a year and a half to sort your portfolio out. You don't even have a month at this point. We are in a bull cycle, and if you're looking to wait, a couple of months to sort your portfolio, it's going to be too late. You're going to have missed out on a lot of profit. If you're not confident with the coins that you own, or genuinely just uncertain about what it is that you own and if they're any good, or you don't have a portfolio, get onto copymycrypto.com and have a look at the site. Everything on that site is public record, whether it's what my members have earned or the things I've said in the past. You can verify it all on the history of this channel. Copymycrypto.com is where I share the coins that I own with my members. Whenever I buy a crypto, I tell my members what crypto I'm buying and at what price. Whenever I sell, I tell my members what crypto I'm selling and at what price. So there's no work for my members, and they make the exact same profit as me. If that sounds good to you, pause this video now, get onto the site and have a look around, read everything, watch the videos, verify it all, and if you like what you see, try out the service, guys. Now, Worldcoin. I hate this. So the mission of the Worldcoin project is to build the world's largest identity and financial network as a public utility, giving ownership to everyone. The Worldcoin system revolves around World ID, a privacy-preserving global identity network. World ID enables users to verify their humanness online, proof of personhood as they call it. It is staggering to me that people were so willing to go to these orbs, which, by the way, look like the most alien crap I've ever seen, and give them give a scan of their iris. It was, why is it going to work? Of course it's going to work. They went to a lot of third world countries as well as, lots of first world countries, but giving away crypto. All orb verified World ID holders were entitled to claim recurring grants of free world tokens. Now, world tokens are not available in the US, but it has the potential to make world the most widely distributed digital currency of all time, and it probably is. But again, you are trusting a company. However they've built their network, and obviously they've used zero-knowledge proofs and all of that, but you're still trusting a company to hold your personal information to that level. Sam Altman was the founder. He was actually fired from OpenAI. OpenAI did announce Sora, but they've had a lot's happened for OpenAI. I think there was a net valuation of like $1 billion. Sorry, there you go. OpenAI completes a deal valuing it at $80 billion. That was in February this past year. They also announced Sora, which was the text-to-video AI. I hate this, guys. It blows my mind that people were so willing to give their own info away for a few bucks, But let's be clear, whatever I think about it, I'm in the minority, clearly. 6 million people are on Worldcoin. Every time they verify themselves with the orb, they're entitled to free recurring grants of Worldcoin. This is free money. the growth and the size of the community is enormous. It's enormous. The idea of World ID is, they've used the tagline for a more human internet. I mean, what the does that even mean? Worldcoin for a more human blockchain protocol. World app. So this is for more human access to the global economy. The first World ID compatible wallet. You've got World Chain, a blockchain for humans. What does that mean? Other than you can prove you're a person. Here's the issue with all of this for me, right? This digital identity crap is one step towards things that we shouldn't want in society. There are already far too many hoops that we all have to jump through as individuals to get anything done. And I don't care how efficient they're saying this is going to be. I think it's a terrible, terrible concept. Now, as you can see, you can check where the hell that they've got their orbs. They've got one in Atlanta now. Digital Garage, Blank Space, Santa Monica Pier, the Canvas, GPT. I mean, they are in they're in all of these countries right now. And people are happy to just jump on, scan their eye, and sod off. Blows my mind. But with the growth that they've had, with the excitement that is clear around Worldcoin, like I said, I'm in the minority. I do think this can do quite well. I do actually think there is a potential here for this to run up to like $50. I hope not. I hope this dies a death. Personally, I think this is a terrible concept overall, but people are massively engaged with it. Obviously, it's spiked and did very well all the way up to like $12. In fact, I think it hit quite a bit higher than that. No, $11.82. I think there is a world where we could see this at $50. Like that's putting a market cap of around $14 billion. That is very, very doable with the net growth that they've had. It's also not on Coinbase, which is worth noting. If they end up having a really solid sort of 3 or 4 months where the price action rises nicely and then they land on Coinbase, we'll see an immense amount of money that flow in, plus that Coinbase bounce can quadruple it. And the reality is that as of right now, the volume's very good. The volume's a couple 100 million kind of every day. Coinbase are going to want to get in on that action. It is not, as of yet, been tagged by the SEC as a possible security, so I don't see why Coinbase wouldn't potentially use them. And I think it would be very, very easy for this to break its previous high at $12. And like I said, I think if it gets Coinbase listing then, you're going to see it double, treble, or quadruple really, really quick. And $50 could very easily be achieved. 10 billion or 14 billion as a market cap sounds a lot, but in this bull cycle, we are going to see many, many, many coins hitting huge, huge market caps. Bitcoin is obviously going to be is over $1 trillion, but Bitcoin will likely get, over. It's got very, very good shot of getting over 2 trillion. Ethereum will get over $1 trillion. I think it's a good chance we're going to see Solana at like $500 billion as a market cap. So when you look at something like this, even though I think it's a complete piece of crap and I don't like it as a concept or an idea, I don't like the fact that people are so willing to give their info over to a private company effectively. The net growth could easily be here, and $50 could easily be achieved. How do you feel about this? How do you guys feel about this? Would you be willing to go, if there's an orb in your city, would you go and get a scan? If not, share why in the comments down below. If so, share why in the comments down below. Why would you do it? Why wouldn't you do it? Let me know. Guys, if you need to get your portfolio sorted, if you are looking at your portfolio going, I'm not sure about these coins, I'm not confident in these coins, I'm not happy with these coins, Or if you're looking at a portfolio that doesn't exist, now is the time to do something about it. Get onto copymycrypto.com. Have a look at what my members have earned. Have a look at the successes we've had, the coins we've gotten in on, the profits that have been made. It's all public record. You can verify it all yourself. Copymycrypto.com is where I share the coins that I'm in with all my members. Whenever I buy or sell any coin, I tell my members what coin I'm buying or selling and at what price. So my members get in and out of cryptos, same price as me, have no damn work to do at all. If that sounds good to you, like I say, get on the site, read through it all, watch the vids, verify it all on the history of this channel, and then try it out, guys. And that's it from me. Have a good day. Bye-bye.